Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease any YouTube video speed. This is very quick and easy lesson right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, here you can see this video is playing. This video is a normal video. Here you can see how to increase this video speed. This is very quick and easy lesson right. First of all, what you need to do, you need to tap on what you need to do you need to tap on the gear icon of the video. Here you can see top gear icon of the video. Click on this. After that, here you can see option playback speed. Here you can see playback speed. Here you can see this is normal. Click on this, and here you can see this is the decrease, and here you can see this is a increase. How to increase this video speed? Simply click on 1.25x or 1.5x or 1.75x or 1 or 2x. Simply click on 2x, and here you can see this is my YouTube video speed is increased. In this way you can increase and decrease any YouTube video speed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.